Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode we are going to discuss the rise in Tesla's valuation. Crosses over $1 trillion mark again. Are you guys excited? So let's get started. So keep up with me till the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notifications for more videos. We all are well acquainted with how Tesla is having its peak time. Musk is earning, and so is his company's valuation. According to the recent reports, last week on Monday, Tesla's stock company has crossed 12.66% in market value, which roughly means by the end of this year, it will sum up to $1,024.86 million, which eventually made Tesla the first ever car company globally with such a big turnover. When Hertz given their biggest order to it, that's when everything changed. That made Hertz's market cap stand at $1.02 trillion. Hertz has handed over one of their biggest deals. They have placed an order of 100,000 Tesla vehicles. Electric vehicles will rise by the end of 2022 and dominate the car market in the near term. In market cap, Tesla became the top manufacturing company to hit $1 trillion with its unbelievable success. Tesla successfully makes its way into the list of well-built companies that all run on trillions. Some of them are Apple Inc., Microsoft Corp, Amazon.com, etc. Now, this will eventually make way for the co-founder to become more powerful, and his net worth has crossed from $36.2 billion to $289 billion and made Musk richer than Bezos, Amazon's co-founder. He topped the table of billionaires again. Currently, Tesla's market cap has made it stand among the 5 most top companies on the BSE. India's first 5 most listed companies together sum up whose combined market cap is $692.35 billion, shown on the BSE chart. Tesla has become the biggest car maker among the 9 other companies. Tesla is growing its business rapidly, and other companies find it difficult to cope. Tesla has become one of the leading companies. Its high valuation justifies that their cash flow structure has been positive, and that the sales have been reaching the utmost top. Tesla's investors have been planning something big from the company, and they used to get even bigger, and will continue to get forward. From the Indian investors, dollar-paying valuation costs average shares that will be holding a medium to long term. As a result, Tesla has been chosen as one of the highest creators in the market cap to acquire the highest share exposure. Therefore, Tesla's investment policy segment is considered the best investment policy. Elon Musk has become the owner of an automobile company whose total valuation crossed 7%, rose incredibly, and took over the market cap. When reporters asked Elon's opinion on it, he said he believed his cars had sold a lot in the market and that it's satisfactory, but at the same time, he shared a tint of his future ideas. He went ahead and said that he is looking forward to selling out 10% of Tesla's stock by September of 2022. Tesla will be disclosing its last filing. Elon Musk has 2,637,455 stock options with him, which is the plan of his decomposing. As per the reports, Elon's electric vehicle company has walked past several milestones with time. Investments have been made, and the company went ahead with the best strategies in replacing every gas-driven car. As a result, it has ranked as the 5th biggest company holding a bigger revenue in the market. Last year, Tesla's total revenue was $31.6 billion, whose total valuation was $75 billion. Tesla's share subsequently kept on being compared with other technology firms. In time, they have crossed the optimum market valuation. This has been a dominating point over the automobile industry. The clients noticed that and eventually took full advantage of it. As per the earliest reports, Tesla's last annual revenue was considerably lower than Facebook Inc. This year, with a huge revenue, it has entered into the world of trillions. This gave Tesla a turnover in the sales field. Accordingly, in the EV market share, Tesla has been currently trading 21 times its sales. It has been considered 162nd place as per last year's rank. The company is on its way to selling out 1 million cars this year, which was guided by a 50% annual growth rate. In the upcoming years, it is clear that it will rule over every company. Tesla has been manufacturing the 2nd fastest car company in history. It has been beaten over various other platforms. Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft. Jeff has been competitive with Elon in other fields too. Now, with the extreme profit, totally turned the tables towards him. So guys, this was all about today's video. Share as much as you can. That really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With this, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.